IT workloads are increasingly moving outside the on-premises. At Veeam, we like to do things differently. That's why we developed a universal subscription offering that combines workload portability with cost savings and the freedom to adjust IT infrastructure to rapidly changing needs. Veeam Universal License (VUL) was introduced last year to extend licensing capabilities well beyond a traditional socket license, which is limited to on-prem use only. VUL was launched initially as subscription only and is now also available in a perpetual transaction for customers who need to budget their spend in a perpetual CapEx model. Whether purchased as a subscription or perpetually, VUL offers the same full-featured capabilities, workload portability, and production support. Some questions you need to think about. Does the solution you offer provide transparent, portable licensing and operational flexibility to your customers? Does the licensing model make it easy to estimate or size, regardless of the workload or type of environment? Does the software solution help you and your customers ease into a multi-cloud environment by offering flexible licensing options? Veeam will provide your customers with licensing options that enable maximum workload portability and flexibility in a simple, cost-effective model, whether they need CapEx or OpEx spending. Visit the Veeam Pro Partner Portal or get in touch today to find out how VUL can address all data protection needs, no matter how your customers expand their environments.